Hello, my name is Ignacio Liberon and I'm a computer engineering student, and today I will discuss my professional internship at Sodimac, specifically at the Venta Empresas business sales department. So my main objective was to develop a technological solution to automate the extraction process of different bindings. So we first started by process mapping and analyzing the different interviews with people at Venta Empresas, so we could generate a detailed flowchart of the current binding workflow. And then we started a solution selection and proposals. So we ended up working with a technological architecture, a Django web interface, where you could upload a file and an OCR analyzer would then extract the information and send it to a local artificial intelligence. So this would retrieve the product information, and then with matching SKU codes we could make a match of products of the what was the buyer asking and what Sodimac had in their internal database. For the most running activity, there was first the artificial intelligence component that would receive all the OCR information analyzed from the documents. So we used LM Studio due to constraints of not having access to cloud-based AIs like Copilot, Gemini, Cloud. But we had a lot of difficulties with the performance of the model. We ended up switching the 5.3 model from Microsoft to a Meta Llama 3.1, and we were forced to use personal computers with a lot of more powerful hardware to avoid getting stuck and to overfill the RAM. The main problem of the OCR document analysis was the amount of words and the amount of data sent to the AI. There were a lot of problems we needed to fix. Mainly, the LM Studio kept crashing when there were either a lot of concurrent document analysis and when the documents were too big. This could take hours, even in good hardware. So for that we made a chunk system that searched for keywords and then started to analyze the page if some parameters were met. Once the response came back, we saw something like this. So there was now a table with the description and quantity of each product, but this could fail sometimes and have quantities not matching correctly, or the descriptions were a little bit iffy and not complete. So we, instead of trying to keep fighting with a model that couldn't give more than already was giving, we just opted for a validation screen in case the results were not perfect. And here you can change validate the descriptions, the institution, the route, and the quantity. Even you can manually add a few items in the case that these were not processed and not shown in the web interface. So this was something of a hotfix, but we still thought it was necessary to prevent any of these cases where everything could go wrong and we couldn't just depend on the AI to do all the work.